Hey there, so last week we did practice the legato style, so the smoothness, and today we do integrated in the pentatonic scales. So the D major pentatonic scale is starting from the third string to 4, third string to 5, first string to 5, and then 5 2, 5 2, 3 2. Okay, and now we integrated the hammer-ons and pull-offs. So 2 4, 2 5, 2 5. Pull-offs 2 5, 2 5, 2 4. I hate the pinky. And you're gonna hate me too, but this practice will make your pinky stronger. I hope. Mine doesn't seem stronger. But anyway, we sit in the same boat because we are all learning uke at the moment, and we are the happiest folk ever on this planet, isn't it? Okay, let's try it again. So 2 4, 2 5, 2 5, 5 2, 5 2, 2 4. E pentatonic, you can start from the 4th fret, 3rd string, and it's the same pattern. So 2 3, 2 5, 2 5, 5 2. So from the distance with your finger, yeah? 5 2, 3 2. So it would be 4th fret, 6th fret, then the 3rd string, 4th fret, 7th fret, 4th fret, 7th fret on the 1st string, 7 4, 7 4, 6 4. Okay, and we do the same. Hammer on, pull off. Okay? And this you're gonna practice slowly. The best is with the mean metronome. So start with 65 BPM, then go ahead to 75 and then to 85. And if you're great and familiar, then speed up. And then you're gonna have a sweet and smooth play. Enjoy and have fun. See you to the next tutorial. Love and happiness, Doña.